Here I have Samsung Soundbar Q950T, and today I'm going to show you how to connect this device to any Android TV device. So first of all, you have to go to the settings on your Android TV, then go to the remotes and accessories, then go to the pair remote or accessory. Now what you have to do is to press the square button on your soundbar and go to the Bluetooth mode. Press it several times. Then after you see it turn to the Bluetooth and you see the Bluetooth ready, you have to hold down this crossed square button to switch it to the Bluetooth pairing mode. And after you see Bluetooth pairing, you can connect to your device, as you can see it on the screen of the TV. Let's connect it. And then just press pair. And as you can see, device is connected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.